it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here, shooting what's going to become a series of videos over the next 2 years. I've spent about 10 years inside the gun industry now, and most of the time I've owned a couple of different businesses, and I've had my hands on hundreds of different types of guns and taken them all apart, put them all back together, coated them, hydro dipped them, repaired them, all that fun stuff. And I do recognize that no matter how good you are at something, there's always more room to improve and learn. And in 2011, I attended a school. I had a business out in Colorado. I attended Penn Foster's, kind of like a correspondence thing to get my gunsmith certification, and it was pretty cool. I mean, it was very informative. It was all book work mainly, and that's great that you can take the books and read and do. But recently I've come into a new line of work outside of the gun industry. I'm still kind of messing with guns, but just a lot bigger guns. But I've decided that, I have the time. I want to build on what I already know. And so I decided to attend the Sonoran Desert Institute. Thank you, Uncle Sam, for my GI Bill, because that's what's funding this. But I'm shooting these videos because I want to do unboxing videos for people that are maybe interested in the program. And you'll kind of see what you get every time I get a goodie box. You're going to see what I get and, kind of what I learn and all that fun stuff. So we're going to check this out and see what we come up with. So it just showed up. This is the first box of a lot, I hope. We're going to see what's in it. Some awesome gun goodies. Gun cleaning kit. Let's see what we got. Invoice? No. Looks like I got an Otis Elite cleaning kit. Modern Spartan Systems Carbon Destroyer. Oh wow, I got some guns I need to clean anyways. Modern Spartan Systems Accuracy Oil, Firearms Guide, and FTT 100 Lab Book. Let's check it out. So, School of Firearms Technology. Look at that. Pretty. It's pretty cool. So, this is a clean firearms lab. It should be easy. So, let's check out the Otis gun cleaning kit. Look at that. All sorts of stuff. It comes in a pretty nice little bag. Okay, cool. I got propaganda stickers. Look at that. They even all signed it. How about that? Let's see if you guys can see this. Look at that. They even sign it. All the people over at Otis or somewhere. Nice. Added a personal touch. Now this is cool. I got like a little range bag in case I need to go to the range. I have a little range bag for everything. Wow. Look at that. Nice. Got some all caliber cleaning patches. Have a, that's a barrel extension cleaner for an AR-15. Cleans the chamber and the barrel extension. How about that? Looks like we get a little bit of, nobody even saw any of that. Sorry, guys. Looks like we got some all lens cleaner for cleaning your lenses. Hope it's not gun lipstick. There we go. Oh yeah, that's for cleaning your scope. Nice. We got some toothbrushes and we got some cleaning kits. Looks like some scrapers and some brushes, a needle type thing to bust off carbon. Nice. Some more cleaning patches for pistols. A toothbrush for scrubbing all that carbon off. Nice. Beautiful. And it feels nice. It's like felt. That's awesome. Looks like we got a range. What is this? Oh, wow. Look at that. How you doing? That's awesome. All sorts of little things for pulling your patches through the bore. Sweet. Yes. This is so cool. Too cool. Look at that. You're going to pull through. You know what I like about this kit? The fact that they're sending these It's a bore snake system. Many don't know, but you will put more wear in and on your rifling with cleaning rods than you will with bore snakes. So that's, Otis seems to have the idea down right. Yes, sir. Look at that. Lens cleaning, lens tissues. Nice. Let's see what we got here. And of course they adult proofed it. Oh my gosh. Alright, what do we got here? Hey, more propaganda. Love it. Let's go on the air compressor. What do we got here? Firearms guide. The most extensive searchable online guns and ammo reference guides. Gun values. Gun schematics and blueprints. Free updates. 6 months subscription. How about that? You know, eventually, if you guys go out to thegunpsy.com, you'll be able to find a lot of that stuff on there, because I'm building a system with reloading manuals and firearm schematics and all sorts of fun stuff that's going to be free. So check back to the site, thegunpsy.com, for the gun psychiatrist, and you'll find all sorts of firearm goodies there. But check it out. So we got carbon destroyer and spray-on accuracy oil. Nice. I love it. It's beautiful. Otis sure knows how to put together an amazing smart gun care kit. I don't know what the retail value on this is, but it'd be nice to look that up. So yeah, looks amazing. All right, so as you can see, the unbox of the first box I ever got from SDI is amazing. Comes with an awesome cleaning kit from Otis, Smart Gun Care, and of course, all of these posts and videos, they're going to go into articles that I'm going to put up at The Gun Psy, or thegunpsy.com, for short for the gun psychiatrist. And, you know, that's going to be a really cool site. I hope the folks out there watching will help me build it. If you have, you know, manuals or whatever you want to submit, send it to me. Email me, Kevin at thegunpsy.com, psy.com. Email me there. I'll put it up online. I want to make a free reference guide for firearms owners. That they can go up and find schematics, they can find reloading data, they can find just gun how-tos. I'm going to have all my gun how-tos up there. It's going to be a pretty cool site, so do check it out. And, well, hey, thanks for watching this video. There's going to be more unboxings to come, and I'm hoping to get a lot of blog posts up there, too, with papers that I write and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. It's going to be a fun little site for hangout, or a fun little place and website for hangout for gun owners, and I hope you'll check it out. Anyways, this has been the Gun Psychiatrist, first unboxing of the Sonoran Desert Institute Associate of Science and Firearms Technology program. And, hey, I'm looking forward to doing more with y'all. See you later. Hail the Republic.